So today we will learn that how to calculate the mass of substance from the number of particles. So it is the last way of calculation from the mole concept series. So in this case, if you know the number of atoms or molecules, second if you know the Avogadro number, and third is if you know the number of moles, then you can calculate the mass of a substance. So in this way of calculation, we will use two formulas. First is the mass of substance is equal to molar mass into number of moles, and second is the number of moles is equal to given number of particles upon Avogadro number. So we will represent the number of moles by small n, the number of particles by capital N, and the Avogadro number by n naught. So we can take the first example to understand. So the question is, a sample of oxygen gas contains 3.011 into 10 raised to the power 23 number of oxygen atoms. So calculate the mass of oxygen gas. So you know that the oxygen gas is a diatomic gas. It contains 2 atoms of oxygen. Okay. So here you have given the number of particles, that is 3.011 into 10 raised to the power 23, and Avogadro number you know 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. So first step is find the number of moles. So finding the moles, you will use the formula small n is equal to capital N upon n naught. So when we divide these two values, you will get the value of 0.5. Here it is number of moles we got. Now in the step 2, you will calculate the mass of substance. So first you have to calculate the molar mass of oxygen. So atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So the molar mass of oxygen atom is 16. So the molecules molar mass will be 32 gram. So now formula will be used. Small m is equal to capital M into n. So now we will multiply the molar mass of oxygen with the number of moles of oxygen. So after multiplication, you will get the value of 16 gram. So if you have 3.011 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules of oxygen, so that means you have total 16 gram of oxygen. Okay. Now we will see the question number 2. The question number 2 is, after fractional distillation of air, a scientist calculated that the number of molecules of water is 1.055 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules. So you know that the air contains water in the form of water vapor. So in the fractional distillation, we liquefy all these things. Okay. So now calculate the mass of water separated from the air. So what is given? Number 1 is the number of particles or the number of molecules of water, that is 1.055 into 10 raised to the power 23, and Avogadro number is same as always. So step 1 is find the number of moles. So you will divide the value of number of molecules with the Avogadro number. So after division, you will get the value of 0.1751. That is the number of moles. Now in step 2, you will calculate the mass. So first you have to find the molar mass of water. So the molar mass of water can be calculated by their molar masses of hydrogen and oxygen. So 2 plus 16 is equal to 18 gram. Okay. Now again come to the formula, small m is equal to capital M into n. So multiply 18 with 0.1751, you will get the value of 3.1518 gram. So this is the mass of water that we got from fractional distillation of air. Okay, now see the question number 3 now. Question number 3 says that calculate the mass of a sample of helium gas kept in a gas jar in a lab, and the number of atoms for helium is 1.5055 into 10 raised to the power 23. So what is given? The number of particles means the number of atoms of helium, that is 1.5055 into 10 raised to the power 23, and Avogadro number same as always. Now in step 1, calculate the number of moles. So divide the value of 1.5055 into 10 raised to the power 23 by 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. So after division, you will get 0.5, sorry 0.25. It is just the quarter of Avogadro number, it means. So now step 2 is calculate mass. So first you have to find the molar mass. So you know that the helium is actually the monoatomic gas. इस गैस में सिर्फ एक ही एटम होता है, यहाँ पे कोई मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म नहीं होता है. सो हीलियम का एटॉमिक मास होता है 4, तो मोलर मास हो जाएगा 4 ग्राम. ठीक है. Now to get the mass, we will multiply the molar mass with the number of moles of helium. So 4 into 0.25. So you will get the value of 1.00 ग्राम. यानी आपके 1 ग्राम हीलियम में 1.5055 into 10 to the power 23 atoms present हैं. So it is very easy to calculate the mass from the number of particles and from the number of moles. So I hope you got the concept. Just focus on the question and do the question in the step-by-step manner, so you will not get any confusion. So if you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Thank you so much.